In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can create a watch face from the Photos library on the iPhone 13 series. So here you can see on my watch face, I have the photos that is showing directly from my Photos library. So let's see how you can do this. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Photos. In Photos, tap on the Library tab at the bottom. In here, tap on Select button at the top, and you want to select the photos that you can use to create the watch face. You can select up to around 25 photos. Okay, so I'm going to select some random photos here. And then you tap on the Share button at the bottom. From the menu here, choose create watch face. Now if it doesn't show the option to create watch face, then perhaps one of the photos that you have selected is not compatible, so I'm going to cancel and then tap on select again. Make sure that you don't select video files, as that will not work. Okay, so I'm going to try again. Tap on the share button, and then in here tap on create watch face, and then you can make some changes in here. For time position, you can choose it to display at the top or bottom. It will show you a preview up here, so choose top or bottom. You can choose the complications. Okay, you can choose your own complications, and you can choose to have below time as well. And after that, you can tap on the add button to create a new watch face. As you can't add face to my faces, you need to pair an Apple Watch on this iPhone to add a watch faces. So before you can actually add, you need to actually pair this Apple Watch to the iPhone. Now, because I have paired this Apple Watch to a different phone, this phone is only a demo phone. That's why it's not allowing me to create a new watch face. But once you tap on the add button, it will add it to your list of watch face. So here on this phone here, you can see in my faces, I've got photos, and this is the watch face I have created from the Photos library. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the cancel button or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.